Recognition and counting. Order numbers in size lower than 100. Let's recap. Sometimes we're asked to put numbers in size order. We can use a number line to help us. Numbers get bigger as they go to the right. From 0 to 20, we have more things, they get bigger. And numbers get smaller as they go to the left. From 20 to 0, we have fewer things, they get smaller. For bigger numbers, we would not use a number line. We need to recognise how tens and units or ones get bigger. Here, the ones are in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From smaller to bigger. And then we have the tens. The green ones going down. We go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then the 20s. It goes from 20 all the way across 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then the 30s in the same way. So the tens are going up by 1 and the units are going from 0 up to 9. The same for the 40s and the 50s and then the 60s. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Then the 70s in the same way, and then the 80s from 80 to 89, all the way up to the 90s, and the biggest two-digit number is 99. Put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. How many tens are there? Look in the tens column, there's 4, then 3, then 7, then 2. We can order the tens from smallest to biggest. The smallest is 2, then 3, then 4, then 7. So the answer, bring in the original numbers, is 21, 35, 42, and the biggest is 76. Put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. First, we look at the tens. We have 3, 4, 3, and 5. If we have the same tens, here 3, then we look at the ones or units as well. The first one, the units are 2, and in this one, the units are 5. We can order by tens, and if we have the same tens, then by units. So the smallest is 32, and then 35. 2 is smaller than 5, where we have the same 10. Then the next smallest 10 is the 4, so 47, and the biggest is 55. Write letters in the answer boxes to order these numbers from biggest to smallest. First, we look at the tens. We have 6, then 9, then 5, then 5, then 6. Where we have the same tens, we need to look at the units. In the 5s, we have 6 and 2 as the units. And in the 6s, we have 1 and 8 as the units. Put the numbers in order of size, but make sure we read the question. It's from biggest to smallest. So the biggest 10 is 9, so B is the biggest. Then the next biggest 10s are the 6s. So we look at the units where we've got 2. The next biggest is 68, so it would be E. The next biggest is 61, that would be A. Then we look at 2 that have got 5 as their 10s. 6 as the units is bigger than 2, so the next biggest would be C. And finally the smallest would be D. Remember, when ordering numbers below 100, order first by the tens, then if the tens are the same, we order by the ones or units. Make sure you read the question. Is it asking for smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest?